Hey guys, this is Shakil. Welcome to my channel. Actually today I gonna unboxing one mobile. Actually this is I am order from Amazon. This is very quickly delivery. This mobile model number is Redmi 12 5G. So today I gonna unboxing this mobile. Actually before I already checked. This is second time I unboxing for video. This is cover Amazon packet. This is come from to Amazon platform, and this is the mobile Redmi Note 12 5G. This is actually 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM, and this color is onyx gray. So let's check it out. Wow. And this is the mobile. Wow, this is the mobile. Check the shape. This is the background and this is the display. Actually this camera is back camera is 48 megapixel. You can see this is actually global, made in China, Xiaomi Communication Co Ltd. Let's check it out in the box. What have? One pin have, some warranty card and guideline. Also have one cover, transparent cover, and this is the power booster charger, 30 watt, very effective charger and very speedy charger. And this is the cover. If you buy Xiaomi set, I suggest you this set is very good mobile, because price also not too much high. This is I bought only 589 AED. Also have 15 dirham delivery cost. Also have some bet. Actually this is I bought by online by Rack Bank account. That's why this is come little bit high price. If you this one buy from market, I think you will get less, minimum 50 dirham you will get less, around. So thank you so much. If you like this video, must share and must subscribe my channel. Thank you.